Minister and all the other honorable members, senior members of this august House, to express my condolences to the bereaved families on the passing away of the two great political personalities. First of all, I pay my respects to late Horju Donkupar Roy Lingdo, former Meghalaya Home Minister. Late H. Donkupar Roy Lingdo passed away on 20th February 2023 at the age of 69 years. As the senior politician, won as an MLA from Sohyong in 1988 on a Hill State People's Democratic Party, HSPDP, and continued till 1998. In 1999, he was elected to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council on an Indian National Congress ticket from Sohyong Nongspung constituency. Late HDR Lingdo returned as MLA of Sohyong in 2003, where he continued till 2018 as a candidate of the INC. I also pay my respects to former Minister late Aubrey Herbert Scott Lingdo, who passed away on 7th March 2023. He was 93 and his wife and children. A venerable officer of the erstwhile cadre of IFAS, Indian Frontier Administrative Service, late A.H. Scott Lingdo served with distinction in some of the remote places of the Northeast, including Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, and Mizoram. For a long time in the 50s and 60s, he knew these far-flung areas like a back of his palm and would relish recounting his fascinating experiences with endless anecdotes. In the early days of Meghalaya, he was grafted in for administering Shillong Municipal Board as its CEO. In that capacity, he left an indelible mark by streamlining conservancy and water supply system. Post-retirement, he plunged into public service and was elected as an MLA twice, representing erstwhile Jayo constituency between 1993 and 2003. He served as Finance Minister of Meghalaya in the 90s. Earlier, he retired from service in 1987 as the chairman of Delhi Agriculture Marketing Board. He had also held the position of Chief Secretary of the Mizoram government, in which capacity he created an efficient administrative system in the fledgling state. An excellent sportsman during his youth, A.H. Scott Lingdo was an avid swimmer, played hockey, football, and golf. I would now request all the honorable members to rise and observe 2 minutes silence as a mark of respect to the departed souls. You may please be seated. Before I adjourn the House, I would like to invite all honorable members of this August House, senior government officers, to join me today, this evening, for a dinner at Vivanta, Shillong, by 7:30 p.m. Since there is no more business to be transacted for today, the House stands adjourned till 28 March 2023.